Hello my students, now we are going to discuss polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell. It is also called PMFC. So in PEM we have already discussed about the fuel cell in the previous lecture. Here or today we will discuss about the one type of the fuel cell that is called PEMFC. In PEMFC, electrolyte is a solid polymer membrane of organic material such as the polystyrene sulfonic acid, and this is permeable to the protons when it is saturated with water, but it does not conduct electrons. This is the schematic diagram of fuel cell, PEMFC fuel cell. Here we can see that this is the hydrogen and this is the oxygen. So this hydrogen is used as a fuel, and it is split into the hydrogen and ions. So the fuel is hydrogen and charge carries are hydrogen ions, that is protons. At the anode, the hydrogen molecule is split into the hydrogen ions and electrons. The hydrogen ions permeate across the electrolyte to cathode, while the electrons flow through an external circuit and produce the electric power. Oxygen is supplied to the cathode and combines with the electrons and hydrogen ions to produce water. So this is the water. Here we can see that, and finally this is the working of PEMFC, and the membrane is coated on both sides with finely powdered platinum, which acts as a catalyst. Here we can see some reactions are also there for the anode and cathode, and along with the overall reaction. The reaction over the cathode is S2. This is the S2, and it is split into 2H plus 2 electrons, and on the cathode half O2 plus 2H plus 2 electron, that is H2O, that is water, and overall reaction is 2H2 plus O2, that equals to 2H2O plus electrical energy. And some of the properties of electrolyte of an ideal cell. So these are some properties are there: low permeability of fuel and oxidant, and higher ionic conductivity, zero electronic conductivity, high resistance to the hydration, high resistance to the oxidation or hydrolysis. So these are the properties of electrolyte of an ideal cell, and this cell is also called the ion exchange membrane cell. And some of the applications are also there, because we want to know, okay, which type of this type of the cell, where it is used, and what are the application of this cell. Some of the applications are also there. This cell is used, or application of this cell is in residential, portable laptops, cellular phones, video cameras, buses, cars, and the railway locomotives, etc. So these are the applications of this type of fuel cell, that it means PEMFC, polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell. So this is about the fuel cell, and we will discuss the next fuel cell in the next lecture. Thank you very much.